Hello guys, good evening guys. Have you seen this leaf before? Or do you know this leaf? This leaf is one of the leaves they can use for home remedy for cough. If you have cough, you can use this leaf. It is very good. Come with me, let me show you how to prepare this leaf. First of all, you wash this leaf very well. You put inside the water. You wash it very well. Wash it very well and make sure it is clean. I wash it like 2 times. This is the second water I'm using to wash it. So I wash it very well. Step, you place it on the fire because the leaf is always very hard. Place it on the fire to make it soft. You squeeze the leaf till the water is out. You put inside a teaspoon. The reason why I'm putting inside this teaspoon is because I'm giving to my son. Put a pinch of salt. So now your cough home remedy is ready. So you can now give it to your son, your daughter, anybody in your house that is having cough can now take it.